Hey everyone, I have a great summer book. This book is called Zoomer's Summer Snowstorm. It's written and illustrated by Ned Young. Now wait a minute. How can you have a snowstorm in the summer? Have you ever seen it snow in the summer? Sometimes when I go on vacations to the mountains, there'll be snow out, but it doesn't snow here in St. Louis in the summer. I wonder how Zoomer's going to get a snowball that big in the summer. What do you think? Gonna have to read and find out, aren't we? Are you ready? Here we go. Zoomer's Summer Snowstorm. Hey, Mom, yelled Zoomer. It's really, really hot outside. Can I make a snow cone? On one condition, said Mom. I know, said Zoomer. I have to clean up the kitchen when I'm done. Oh, that's a good rule. When you're done making something, you gotta clean it up. So he's gonna make a snow cone. Ooh, did you come to UCCC to cut a snow cone? We're having snow cones here in a couple days. I wonder what kind he's gonna make. Zoomer switched on the snow cone machine and looked through the cupboards. Let's see, he thought, what flavor do I want? After making his choice, he turned around and saw a snow cone about 3 feet deep. Uh-oh, thought Zoomer, I better get the mop. Oh my goodness. So first he was looking for the snow cone syrup. And when he turned around, look at all the snow it had made. Whoa. That's a lot of snow cone snow. Well, after thinking about it, Zoomer decided to put on his hat and his mittens and open the kitchen window instead of getting a mop. What do you think that's gonna do? Think the snow will go outside? As usual, the twins had something to say to their little brother. What's with the hat and the mittens? Asked Hopper. Yeah, said Copper. It's like 100 degrees out here. Not for long, said Zoomer. Oh, what's he gonna do? Oh my goodness, look at this page. You see it? What's happening? The snow's coming out of the house and onto the playground. Oh my goodness. The hot summer weather suddenly turned icy cold as winter came pouring into the backyard. I'm telling, said Hooper, shivering. Why, said Zoomer, I already asked Mom for permission to turn summer into winter, Cooper said, his teeth chattering. Oh my goodness. That's amazing. How are we supposed to practice for a baseball game with all this in the way? Complained Hooper. I guess we'll just have to play around it, Cooper said with a huff. While Hooper and Cooper griped about the freezing weather, Zoomer got right to work taking advantage of the first snowstorm of the season. Look at all that snow. How are Hooper and Cooper going to play baseball with all that snow? What do you think? Look what Zoomer's doing. He's making a snowball. Oh my goodness. Oh, look what he's doing with the snowball. What's he making? He's kind of taking some of the snow off. What's that look like? It's a duck. After Zoomer had finished his snow sculpture, he decided that the duck snow sculpture needed some company. What do you think he'll make next? What do you think? Oh my goodness. This page, I'm going to read it first and then I'm going to show you the pictures, okay? He built his very own wildlife sanctuary filled with animals and creatures from near, far, yesterday, and beyond. Look at the snow creatures he makes. Oh my goodness, let's see, what can you see? There's a sea serpent, some bunnies, some dolphins. Oh, here's a sphinx. Look, he made a dinosaur like a diplodocus and a turtle. What else do you see? A whale, pteranodon, elephant, and owl. Oh my goodness. That's a lot of snow animals. Later, Zoomer took a hot chocolate break in the polar empire of Zoomarctica and gave his brothers a friendly little wave. Look at that! He built a castle. He's drinking hot chocolate. Oh my goodness. Don't look, whispered Hooper. You'll only encourage him. You know, you have to admit, though, whispered Cooper, this is pretty cool. What do you think? Would you want to go here? And it looks pretty cool. Toot toot, shouted Zoomer. Hey, said Hooper. Can't you see we're trying to practice here? But when Zoomer began building... Oh, he built a train. What do you think he's going to build next? Oh my goodness, you're never going to believe it. No, you don't want to see it, do you? You don't want to see this. He built an amusement park. Oh my goodness, look, there's a Ferris wheel and rides and a roller coaster. Oh my goodness. He built an amusement park. Hooper and Cooper put their mittens on faster than the happy puppy's wagging tail. Oh, Hooper and Cooper are gonna do it too. Oh my goodness. Would you want to go to Zoomertopia? When Zoomer's tummy rumbled that it was close to dinner time, he scampered to the kitchen and cleaned up all the snow. He had to get the vacuum cleaner to clean up all the snow. As Zoomer finished, Mom and Dad came in. Hey, Zoomy, said Mom, you look hungry. What would you like for dinner? What do you think he's gonna want? Chili, yipped Zoomer. Chili? Exclaimed Mom. Yeah, said Zoomer. On a really, really cold day like today, a big, hot, steaming bowl of chili would hit the spot. Now, wait a minute. It's summertime. Is it really, really chilly? Only at Zoomer's house he made all that snow. Huh? Dear, said Dad nervously. Did Zoomer just say on a cold day like today? Look at Mommy. She's looking out. What does she see? She sees the snow. Like, whoa. Okay then, said Mom. Chilly it is. Wow, he's a pretty good snow architect, isn't he? And look, they're eating chili. A chili picnic at the snow, on the snow. That is so cool. If you were Zoomer, what would you have built with the snow? I bet you could build all sorts of fun stuff. I hope you have a great day. I hope it doesn't snow at your house, or maybe that would be fun. Have a great day, guys. Bye.